In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Canva design via email step by step. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to share your creations effortlessly with just a few clicks. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have your design open. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and locate the Share button. This is your starting point for sending your design via email. Click on the Share button to open a range of options for sharing your design with others, including email. Once you've clicked on Share, a menu will appear displaying different sharing options. Here, look for See All. This is where all the sharing methods are consolidated. Click on it to explore the option that suits your current need. After clicking on See All, you'll be presented with an extended list of options. Among these, find Email. This is the method we will use to send your design directly to someone else's inbox. Click on Email and a new dialog box tailored for emailing will open. In the email dialog box, you'll see fields to customize your email. First, type in the recipient's email address. Make sure it's correct so your design reaches the right person. Canva may also suggest previously used email addresses, which can speed up the process. Next, consider including a brief message or note to accompany your design. While this isn't mandatory, adding a personal touch can enhance the recipient's experience and provide context for your design. Finally, when you're ready, locate the Send button. It's usually highlighted for easy spotting. Click on Send and your design will be sent directly to the recipient's inbox. And there you have it. You've successfully sent your Canva design via email. This method is perfect for sharing invitations, posters, or any creative work with colleagues, friends, or clients. Remember, sharing your designs is a great way to collaborate and gather feedback, so don't hesitate to use this feature whenever you need to share your work. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.